If you dream of becoming a successful nurse, but you are scared by the huge amount of information you need to learn, then listen to this message. Today, I would like to talk to you about the key features of the Ultimate Nursing School Survival Kit. This set contains the essential information you need to know for successful studies in medical school, passing exams, and passing the NCLEX. It includes flashcards on topics such as nursing fundamentals, pediatrics, pharmacology, health assessment, lab values, clinical skills, nutrition, psychiatric and mental health, medical surgical nursing, obstetrics and gynecology, as well as ECG interpretation. When you open the box, you will see all your individual decks of flashcards. They are supplied in durable, high-quality boxes that are specially designed for you to easily browse and find the cards you need. Extra space has been left so that you can flip through the cards and quickly find the one you require. The boxes have a logical, easy-to-use layout, and you'll find that the cards themselves are thick, durable, and have rounded corners for comfortable handling. The flashcards have a glossy front and a matte back, which allows you to make notes or highlight important information. Each deck has an index, so you can quickly find a term or disorder and go to the corresponding card. The end learning system has also been included so that you can organize the cards according to your level of knowledge on the topic. This helps you focus your study time on the areas where you need the most improvement. And in conclusion, you will see that another amazing feature of the flashcards is the ability to accompany them with instructional videos. You can find the videos on YouTube for free, as well as through a membership on the Level Up RN website, where you can watch them without ads. If you're a visual or auditory learner, this can be very helpful. The combination of the flashcards and videos has helped many medical students succeed in their studies, exams, and clinical practice. Click the link and you can buy the Ultimate Nursing School Survival Kit right now.